see how the emotions arise. When the situation comes, suppose fear is coming.
Yes.
Just watch it how it is arising, and you will know that in this situation it arises this way. Love how it arises.
Right.
Contentment. Just watch the boredom. Don't try to overcome the boredom. What these normal people do,
Absolutely.
they are trying to overcome the boredom.
Absolutely.
That is where they are
Absolutely.
stuck up in the blockage of this.
Absolutely. That's the
Try to
audit.
observe, yes.
That's the audit, right?
Yes.
Right.
And
Perfect.
these two things
What's the
are
second
watching.
suggestion?
This was the second suggestion. The first suggestion is like, and go to this like why it is coming up, from which chakra it is coming up. When we know that the energy is coming from this particular chakra, we can nub it in that chakra down.
That will be the overhaul, right? We'll get to that.
Then we know how to emote properly.
But just by auditing, just by being present, just by inquiring, just by diagnosing, it will shift. As soon as you become present, that I am, oh, what is happening right now is disappointment. Okay. So I'm disappointed. Okay. So I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed. As soon as you become present, this is what you are looking at. We'll go to the next one. Let's start looking at the next one. That's
Because
possible.
when we do self-audit,
Yes.
we see from the pessimism, frustration downward,
Yes.
most of the emotions listed, the root cause may be fear.
Yeah, of course. That's one way of looking at it. That the root cause is somewhere here. You start working on, and it will be a good time. There is our ancient saint Kabir who talks about "Dukh mein sumiran sab kare, sukh mein kare na kare." Have you heard of this?
Yeah.
Everyone has heard of it? Have you? Okay. There's a saint Kabir who has written "Dukh mein sumiran sab kare, sukh mein kare na koi, jo sukh mein sumiran kare to dukh na kare." Okay. Which means everyone remembers
Lord.
in the bad times. Yeah. When we say the Lord, this is what the Lord is. Love and you'll be gratitude, you'll be giving, all of those. When we are in bad emotions, then we suddenly remember all those things. A lot of things. Wisdom suddenly prevails in them. Okay? But if we have this time, if we have somewhere here, every time is a good time to go and do the audit. What are the hidden hatreds that you have? Clean it up. What are the hidden blame game that you have and clean it up? What is the fear, greed, depression? You start cleaning this up, you start automatically rising. It's like you start cleaning up the mud, the fresh water starts coming. Your natural self starts coming up. You start removing the cloud, your natural self starts showing up. You are gold inside, pure gold inside. But that gold has got layers and layers which have been accumulated. You just clean it up, and your natural self starts showing up.
I'll tell you another suggestion.
Yeah.
We are working on fear and greed. Anything we do, it comes out of attraction. Then it leads to expectation.
Right.
Then from expectation we have a desire. Then we want to possess, and then we add. These 5 levels, but fear and greed is the 2 things we are operating around.
Right. So that's fear and greed. Where would greed be? Somewhere here? Somewhere here? Somewhere here.
For a passionate person,
Sorry?
for a passionate person,
Passionate person, yes.
goal-oriented, he wants to achieve something or the other.
Sure.
But if he fails in his mission,
Right.
then he starts becoming very angry, hatred, jealousy, revenge, such type of feelings arise.
Possible. So you can slip from here, go down. You can go up both ways. You can use it. There are techniques. There are tens of things. We are right now only looking at this whole diagnostic tool, audit tool, how we can audit. Okay. Also, not just in emotions. It's difficult to deal with emotions. So get into activities, circles. If you want to take baby steps, go and find those places where this happens. If you are disappointed, go to places which are boring, which you have normally found boring. Go to those places. Maybe. Okay? It's a boring thing, but it just raises your thing up. But the most profound thing about this scale is also that we can see the cold and the hot emotions. That here, these are cold emotions. In the cold emotions, the vibrations are very, very different. The activity has come down to a grinding halt. Fear paralyzes, right? It's a paralyzing fear. Sadness, depression, inactivity has happened, right? So, and that is more dangerous. So if someone is getting here, it's okay, if you're finding yourself here, it's okay to get angry. Get into revenge mode, by all means. Perfectly okay. Okay, but now as soon as you have identified, now I'm on revenge, okay, so I'm better. Congratulate yourself, acknowledge yourself, be grateful to life that you've moved higher. And then see what next can I possibly do. So when you are, a lot of times people say, that person was so silent and then suddenly he started becoming angry. Of course, it will not work for a lot of people around you. When you will be coming out, please. When you will be coming out of here and someone who is constantly depressed and suddenly starts throwing his weight around or starts throwing his top, it won't work for a lot of people around, but it is working. In any case, this is not something which is created by someone. It's not a created, it's natural. When this will become access, a lot of excess will happen here. A person will automatically start rising up. This is a cycle which will constantly go on. This is a natural cycle. In any case, a person is going to shift from here to here or here to here. That's bound to happen. That's a natural process. That's a natural law.
So it is the situations shift you from one slot to another.
Or the emotions that you are in, they take you to certain situations. So otherwise you would reject them.
Sorry?
It can be the other way around as well. Right now it looks like situations are creating emotions. But tell me something, if someone has doubt and disappointment, will that person go for something optimistic or positive expectation? No, he can't. So he will reject all those activities, invitations, everything. When we are, all of us are sitting here, it's no coincidence. We are all somewhere here in a particular area. And I'm not saying it is everything is everywhere. We have something here. We are here. We have some positive expectation because of which we are here. I mean, this was advised in Bombay Times, it was advised so many other places. People have been getting newsletters. And how many people turn up? Hardly 20. Why? Because the others are probably so far away from these positive expectations, hopefulness, that they can't even conceive of coming to a place and getting rewarded. And at the same time, there will be a lot of other people who are so blissful, they don't need to know emotional intelligence. Oh, emotional intelligence, I have. Great. Perfect. But it can be here or here as well. They are so disappointed. Emotional intelligence, that's not possible. They would also come. Right? Yeah.
I have a question. I'm not sure I have understood.
You?
I have understood.
That's fine. That's
Because
fine.
the way I see it, you're talking about this whole list
Yes.
and this scale
Yes.
or 11. And I don't see it at all. And I may not agree with you. Okay? Because, for example, if you are angry, that anger can actually turn you into positive expectation for belief. Because it's like competition. Competition is not always negative. That competition
Absolutely.
can do
Absolutely.
a lot of things.
Absolutely.
If at the moment I'm here
Yes.
and I told you I'm in the insecure one,
Yes.
it doesn't mean that I'm here because I'm positive. I'm just insecure. And maybe I'm saying to myself, okay, fine. I'm going to pick myself out of this thing and I will go. So if I'm depressed, I will go out. So you see, I've done this battle and I don't, what if this was a piece of paper, with lines? And instead of looking at it like this, you actually turned it into a cylinder. Where are you then?
Absolutely.
So I'm a bit lost.
Yeah, I got what you were saying because it is like that. This is a two-dimensional representation of something which is like probably multi-dimensional, not even three-dimensional. It's difficult. But we are just trying to get some access into our own emotions. This is just a small tool and this is not the end all of you. In any case, some of what you are saying is going to get answered in the next part. Okay? So stay there. You're already jumping to the next one, which is fantastic. You're taking me to the next part. Yeah.
We are remaining in that images and words which are creating impressions and pictures about that mood. How can we leave that mood away from that, which are the words that identity is giving, and
Right.
stay with what we want to do?
Brilliant.
We're just remaining in that identity
Brilliant.
and identifying with it.
Brilliant.
That images, words, and the impressions, pictures.
Great.
Because
You've already-
society has put images in our mind.
We already
don't break
started
up that.
talking about it passionately and enthusiasm, eagerness has started happening. Right? We're already going up on the emotional guidance skills. Great. Good guiding. That is the third part of the program. In any case, we have done it a couple of times in year few workshops. So, great. We're going to get there in the third part. Okay. So this is this whole thing. Let's go through this. I want you to be present to it once more. Please drop everything that is right now bothering you. Just become present to this. We are doing an audit. It is not a judgment. It is not something which is right or wrong, good or bad, true or false. It is what is so. From that place, please look at the next slide. Okay? And just see what opens up. Slide gets stuck at times like you get stuck in emotions.